how to convert your video to audio by simply renaming it. Now, if you're going to do this, you lose the video, but you'll get an audio file out of it. So here's my video. I'll show it to you first, and let's listen to it. By renaming it on Android. Let's test this out. Okay, so there's my video, and I want to convert this to an audio track. So you'll lose the video once you do this. So let's go back out, and we want to go under the Files app. That's the trick to it. You can't just do it from the editing part of it. So you want to go to Files, and under Files, we want to look for videos. So now that we're under videos, we want to look for the specific one, which is that one that you just seen. How to get audio from video by renaming it. Okay, so you see that. And what we want to do is just go back, and we want to rename it. So in order to rename it, we want to go to these three dots up here. Okay, and then we're going to hit select. Okay, when we hit select, we want to make sure that the video we want is that one right there. Now again, it's going to disappear. It's going to turn into an audio file, so you lose the video. But here we go. So now that we selected it, we want to go to more down here. And hit more, and then we got the option to rename it. So now when we rename it, this is how it's going to look. But what we want is, we don't want to just change that. We want to just change this mp4. So I just simply tapped on it. Now my cursor is on the 4, and we're just going to go back and get rid of that 4, and then we're just gonna change it to 3. Okay, so now it says mp3. We didn't change anything else. We just changed the 4 to a 3, and then we're gonna do rename. When we do rename, it's gonna prompt, it's gonna tell you that the video won't be a video anymore. That's what that means basically. So it won't work the same, but you'll have the audio. So let's just change it. Okay, and you see that the video is now gone. That's because now it's audio. So if we go back by hitting this arrow key right here, and we go back, we see that it has changed to mp3. In order to listen to it, we go to the mp3, and you can see now that it's an mp3 right there. All right, so let's just play it, and I'm just going to use this app, and you'll be able to hear it. How to get audio from video by renaming it on Android. Let's test this out. All right, so there it is. Audio from video. There is your mp3 audio waveform, but you no longer have the video. So if you're going to do this method, just be aware you might want to duplicate the video, because you're only going to end up with an audio file. And that's it.